Okay guys, so I just went to buy some decorations for my fish tank, and I bought this aquarium plant, which costs here 75 pesos. It's kinda cute. And then I bought this one. It's kinda cute, and I thought that they could sleep here because, as you can see in my fish, they don't have some plants to live there. And then I bought some extra woods for the goldfish. So that's it. I bought that one, and yeah, I'll go in later and you can see what I bought. Yeah, so bye guys. So hey guys, so I'm back for this video. So I've added already the designs, decorations for the fish tank, and then this is what it looks like when I've put all the things that I bought, and I've added the rocks there, and yeah, so they're there. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. Bye guys.